Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. So today we have a collection to swatch. It is the OPI Hollywood Spring Collection. There are 12 colors, 12 lovely colors it looks like, so I'm really excited to get to it. Won't waste too much time, but before we get into the swatches, if you guys like swatches, if you like reviews, the most thorough reviews on nail products, if you want to enhance the longevity of your manicure or the overall health of your natural nails, this is the channel that you want to stay glued to. So make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, make sure you share it with all your other nail enthusiasts, whether they are professional or DIY. I promise there's information on here that is going to help you in some way. So make sure to make that happen. Now let's get to these swatches. All right, so the first color we're gonna start off with is Movie Buff. Looks like a soft pink. Yeah, definitely a nice soft pink. Okay, beautiful color. It is a little soft on the first coat. Let me fix this little piece here. Really cute color, a little soft on the first coat. This one I can already tell, depending on the nail bed, might need a third coat, but let's finish it up and see what it looks like. So here we have the finished product. This is 2 coats, and I can definitely still see, since I can create shadowing behind that swatch, depending on the nail plate, this one might need a third coat, but super cute color. Nevertheless, let's move on to the next one. This one is Hollywood and Vibe. This one is a little bit more intense of a soft pink. Really pretty. These are like really nice true pink shades, really soft. Yeah, I can tell with the first coat on this one, just like the last one, depending on the nail plate, you might need a third coat, but you still get really nice, good, even coverage. It's almost kind of like a marshmallowy consistency. A really cute one. Let's finish this one up. And here we go, finished product. Good coverage, 2 coats, but there might be some nail beds out there that need a third coat, no biggie. Really cute color. Let's check out the next one. This one, I love the name, I'm an Extra. And it looks like a nude. I feel like this is such an appropriate name for the color. Just an extra little color in there to have. That's actually a really pretty nude, almost like gin and tectonic, but not. Really pretty. Wow, this is a really nice nude. I feel like I have a few clients that are definitely gonna like this one. Really cute. Let's finish this one up, see what it looks like. Voila, here we go, finito. And like the others, this one will more than likely need a third coat for a lot of nail plates, but it's still such a pretty nude. I love this one. All right, let's check out the next one. This one is called Susie Calls the Paparazzi. There's always a Susie in there. This one's nice, almost like a mauvey dusty rose. Really cute. I like these pinks. They're almost like the mature pinks, you know, when you don't feel young enough to wear soft, bright pinks. This is the shade of pink you go for. Although it looks cute on everybody. Super pretty, but I can, again, tell you that 3 coats is probably gonna be necessary. Let's finish it up. And here we go, super pretty. 2 coats actually covered it up pretty good. This one might not need third coats on as much, but really pretty color. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, I am excited to try this one, Behind the Scenes. Let me tell you, it is a challenge with OPI to get really good consistency yellows. They're usually so sheer. Ooh, that one looks like the perfect Easter yellow. Okay. It's a little soft. It might need 3 coats, but you might actually really get a nice bold yellow with those 3 coats. This color is super, oh my gosh, look at that. This is like a gorgeous yellow. And although it is soft, I can tell it's definitely not as soft as their yellows usually are. Super cute. Okay, let's finish this one up. So here we go, 2 coats. Really nice coverage. I can see a little shadowing. 3 coats will definitely tighten that up real good, but I love, even with the 2 coats and it's a little soft, it is such a pretty color. This is a yellow to have. Let's try out the next one. Ooh, this one's my sister's favorite. Destined to be a Legend. Don't really get the name in the color, but it's a cute color. It's a beautiful kind of muted gray blue. This actually looks really nice. Ooh. A little soft on the first coat, likely need 3 coats, but super pretty. Let's finish it up. Beautiful color, coverage as the other ones. I'm pretty much expecting this in all the colors, all the way around. 3 coats will probably be necessary for some nail beds, but beautiful color, love it. This will be a favorite for sure. Let's check out the next one. Oh, you sing, dance, act, and produce. That's a cute name. This one looks more of a purple blue. Ooh, it's deep, okay. Let's swatch you. Pretty soft consistency. It'll probably need 3 coats, but even with the soft consistency, you can see how vibrant the color still is. It's soft, but not sheer necessarily, if that makes any sense. Super cute color. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we go. That one tightened up real nice. This is such a pretty color. Really intense. This one I went ahead and did 3 coats because it is soft and I wanted to see it totally solid, and it looks gorgeous. 3 coats really seals the deal. Beautiful. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one I'm excited. Emmy, have you seen Oscar? Oh, that's cute. Emmy, have you seen Oscar? That's a cutie. This one looks like an electric red, and I love electric reds, like Heat Wave from Perfect Match. Oh, that one's gorgeous. Oh yeah, that definitely is electric, almost like a red orange. Yeah, this one looks a little glassy. Will definitely need a 3rd coat regardless of the nail plate. I could see right through it. This one's definitely a clear consistency. It's so pretty though. Oh, look at how red it looks when you have it more thick. Let's finish this one up. I want to see what this looks like. And here we go. Gorgeous. It is a little clearish in the color, so 3 coats will be necessary regardless of the nail plate. But it is such a pretty color. Love it. Let's check out the next one. Oh, this one I was most excited about. Rated PG. Let me tell you, that name is so funny. You see P like in a P? This is hilarious. Let me check this one because it looks gorgeous even through the box. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's almost like a bluish green. It's got a little something in there. The coat is soft, but a 3rd coat will fix that. The color is gorgeous. Am I the only one? Let me finish this one up. Beautiful. 3 coats is going to be necessary. This one's only 2, and I can see a little shadowing in there, no biggie. But look at this color, guys. Am I the only one? That is so cute. All right, let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one's going to be a shimmery one, I can tell. 15 minutes of flame. This is cute, but I mean, it's pink. I wouldn't have put flame. I would have put fame. It's shimmery. It's cutie. I guess this one says Hollywood to me. These colors don't really say so much Hollywood, but this one definitely does. Oh, that looks way nicer. Yeah, this is definitely a sheerish color. You can kind of see it there. It's a little clear. We'll need 3 coats probably to make this super solid, but that is a really cute shimmery polish. Let's finish this one up. Here we have 2 coats. You can see, I think you can see there that it is definitely still a little sheer. 3 coats will make that all better, at least mostly better. That's a really cute pink shimmer though. All right, let's check out our second to last one. This one is also a shimmer. I'm really an actress. Looks red. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely red. It's got like silver glitter in it. You can kind of see it there. In the light, it looks more gold. It definitely has multicolor glitter because I see some pink, I see silver, I see a little gold. Super cute. Oops. Let me get some more gel on there. Ooh, this is nice. That's really pretty. This kind of feels like it would have been a nice winter or fall color. Let's finish this one up. So here we have it all done. This is actually just 2 coats, and that looks really, really good for 2 coats. Really good for 2 coats. I don't really see a need for this one to have 3 coats. Although I'll leave that up to you, but super cutie. Now we have one more to try. This one is award for best nails goes to, oh my gel, yay. All right, this one's like a deep blue. Ooh, super deep. Ooh, super clear. Why is it the darker colors sometimes are the clear colors? This one's definitely like a jelly nail. Yeah, that's super jelly. Maybe this one's supposed to be kind of like that glass look. All right, let me finish this one up. I'm a little curious, a little questionable here. So here we have finished product. It is definitely like a jelly nail polish kind of consistency. This is 3 coats, although it does look gorgeous. I think it's intended to have that sheer look because it's a nice even, it's super even in coverage. It's not blotchy whatsoever. And even with 3 coats, the color's really consistent and intense, but you could still see through it. It's almost like tinted glass. Really pretty. Okay, so here we have the gel colors on the top and we have regular polish on the bottom. And let me tell you that they are almost perfect. These swatches have such a good match. You can't really see it in the video. In live version, I could see that maybe this one, the red, the pink, and the other shimmer, maybe those are a tiniest bit different from the hands as far as like the color, but you can barely tell. This is me just being picky, but wow, really, really good match. Colors are super gorgeous. That green though, so adorable. Love it. Great job with the matching. So wow, overall 12 colors, very pretty colors. I don't think they really say Hollywood so much to me. Maybe it's just me, but the colors are super beautiful. So let's run through it. Overall consistency, spot on with consistency. Neither polish is too thin and runny or too thick and pasty. They brush on beautifully well. Now coverage, the colors seem a little bit soft, and I would probably say across the whole board, most of those colors, if not all, might need a 3rd coat depending on the nail plate. There's a couple colors like the yellow, the soft pink, the dark blue. That one I think is meant to be like on the sheer kind of glassy note, but I would still recommend those take 3 coats all the time because they are a little bit soft. The other ones, it might vary depending on the nail plate, but overall 3 coats is not a big deal to get the coverage that we want. The colors are really, really pretty. And last but not least, hands and feet match. I'm actually extremely happy to report that these colors are almost spot on across the board. It seems like a year and a half ago, every collection I would buy from OPI would be like a 50-50 chance on whether or not those hands and feet are gonna be matching. But they've been doing really good. This collection, the last 2 collections, it's been almost perfection, as close as you can get at least. So there's a couple colors that the tint of the color might be a little bit different, but nothing that's really noticeable, so it's not a big deal. Overall, really, really impressed that they were able to hit it on the nail when it comes to that matching consistency between the hands and the feet. So that's it for today. I hope that the swatch review was helpful in helping you determine whether or not some or all of these colors is something that you want in your collection. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know that there's a lot more to come, so make sure that you guys stay tuned, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.